Hi guys, welcome to Vincent TV. Today I'm going to teach you how you can change your background to the one that's behind me. I hope you guys can see it. So I'm going to teach you how you can change your background to that. So if you're interested in such videos, stay tuned to the end of today's video. The first thing is to go to Chrome, click on nonado.ai. You can see the way I'm typing it, .ai. Then it opens, then you click on the first one, then it gives you a page like this. All you need to do is to create an account. I signed up through my Google account, so I clicked on Google, and then it asked me which mail do I want. That's my name. Then I put my name, Busing. I chose fashion. You can choose any other one there, but I chose fashion, and you click on next. Then it's going to take you to a page. It will take you to this page where you can create different images. So all I need to do is to write descriptions on what I want, and that's what I did here. Said create a YouTube background for me, YouTube background or YouTube wall. Just see what I typed there. You must be able to describe what you want. You must be able to describe it with the exact word, what you want at the background, how you want it. That's how you should state it, and it's going to bring out exactly what you describe. I said I want a background with a mirror and a lamp, and then it's going to bring exactly what I just ordered. Then it's going to take a while. You click on generate, but it's going to take a while for it to generate, to take a while. Then tala, this is all. You can see that there's mirror and there's lamp at the background. There's mirror, there's lamp, there's mirror, there's lamp for each of the pictures. There's mirror, there's lamp for each of the pictures. So what I did, I picked like three. I picked this one, I picked this one, two. I saved it on my iPhone. Then I also picked this other one, this one here, and then I also save it. And then after I saved it, I was still checking through if I would see other ones I like. I picked this one and I also saved it, just in case I have more than one option, so that I would know the one I'm going to pick. Then I went to my CapCut, and then I clicked on photo editor, and then once I click on photo editor, I click on edit, and then I clicked on size. I put it in 16 by 19, which is YouTube standard. So when I put it on that, then I resized it so that it can fill 16 verse 9 before I exported it. So when I export it, I can now use it for my YouTube video. I export it and downloaded it on my phone. Exported. Then I went back to CapCut. Pick out that background that I just exported, and then I have to add my video. So I clicked on overlaid, and then I looked for my video, the one exact one that I want to put on it. So I finally got the video, and then I loaded it on top of it. So you will see it as it's overlaid on that background. So what you need to do is to go to cut off. So when you go to cut off, you are going to see, okay, I'm looking for it, cut off. You see remove background, click on remove background, mark it, then it's going to remove the background. So you can see that the background, when it gets to 100%, before you see that the background is removed 100%. So I decided to resize it so that it will be okay for you guys to see. And so that's the outcome, and that's how I was able to put this fake background behind me. So if you love this, please follow me for more. Subscribe and like my video. Remember to share. Thank you for watching.